Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Jevan. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. Urad Ghari is a typical Kochi GSB's tea time snack. This is done using white urad dal, unlike the more famous Tirupati Ghari, which uses urad dal with skin. This is also made for anniversary rituals for the departed souls. Here is 1 cup of urad dal, half teaspoon of chili powder or as per your taste, half teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 spray curry leaves to be cut into small pieces, half teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of jeera and of course salt to taste. We will soak the urad dal for 2 to 3 hours. Wash well and set for the water to drain in a sieve. Now grind the dal with black pepper in a mixer to a somewhat coarse paste. Avoid adding water. If you must, then only just sprinkle some water. Now add the chili powder and haldi and just give a whisk in the mixer. The paste should be this coarse. Transfer to a bowl. Now add salt to taste, jeera, hing, and the curry leaves. Heat the oil in a kadai well. Then reduce flame to low. Pinch off small portions of the dough or peter and drop in the hot oil. Do not put too many at a time. Let the gharis fry in low flame for some time. This is to let the insides to cook well. If you fry on high flame, the insides may remain uncooked. Now increase the flame. Remove when they have turned a lovely brown. Do the same with the rest of the dough. You may make it in round shapes too. For Nagar Panchami festival, Supur Ghari is made by replacing red chili powder with green chilies. This is used as Nivedyam. Enjoy this light snack with tea or coffee. Do try this out while I enjoy mine. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.